In which Tata Consumer Products has reported it's over a 7% rise in the quarterly profit at 364 crore rupees, surpassing Street's estimate. However, the revenue has come in lower than what the analysts were expecting at 4,214 crore rupees. Well, the FMCG company also saw a margin improvement to 14.9% from an earlier 14.4% in the same period last year. I tell you what, let's connect to Snehi Shah joining us on the phone line with all the number crunching. Take it away, Snehi.
Well, yes, so this time a rather mixed set of numbers coming in from Tata Consumers, because we've seen a miss coming in on the revenue. Revenue has come in at 4,214 crores, which is up 13% on a year-on-year basis, but lower than what we were forecasting at 4,340. EBITDA has also come in at 627 crore rupees compared to 537 crores, which is up more than 16.5%, exactly in line with what we were expecting. PAT, however, has come in higher than what we were expecting at 314 crores is what we were expecting. It's come in at 364.4 crores compared to 338.2 this time last year, a good uptick of 7.5% on a year-on-year basis. Margins are also largely in line with what we were seeing. It's come in 14.87% compared to 14.4 year-on-year, and what we were predicting was at 14.8. Now, the India business revenue is also up 10.3%. International business revenue is up 17.5% year-on-year. What's key to note is that the short-term debt that the company had taken for the acquisition of Organic India and Capital Foods has been paid off. The company is now net cash positive as well. Growth businesses are up 15% organically. And you also have the merger of the wholly owned subsidiaries, the Nourishco, Tata Soulful and Tata Smart Foods. That has been completed successfully during the quarter. Just quickly talking about the India base, you have the India beverages revenue grew 3%, but it's a degrowth of 4% if you exclude Organic India. So this is one important factor to watch out for. Coffee reported strong revenue growth of 29%. India tea business, however, was impacted by subdued category trends as well. Ready-to-drink segment was impacted by unfavorable weather as well as competitive actions. Salt biz was up 26%. They've also announced a price hike in Tata Salt effective October. Tata Sampann portfolio was also up 26%. Now, on the international front, revenue was up 7% and 5% higher on a constant currency basis. Strong top line was also seen in the UK biz. But the outlook going ahead, the management says that erratic weather patterns have affected tea and salt production in India, also leading to input cost inflation. And global coffee category continues to face demand headwinds due to record high coffee prices. So largely, this is what the numbers look like. This is our first cut. A slight bit of miss coming in on the revenue, inline coming in for EBITDA and margins, but a beat coming in on the PAT front.
All right, those were the results for TCPL, the first shot of that. Thank you so much for joining us, Snehi.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.